Welcome to my YouTube channel Unique Learning Station. Today we are going to discuss about 25 World History GK, which will help you to prepare for upcoming examination and your daily life. If there is any mistakes, please comment me. Okay, let's start. Today's first question is, Ayatollah Khamenei was the religious leader of which country? Answer: Iran. Who was the head of the provincial government of Russia in 1917? Answer: Nicholas II. During the Gulf War, Iraq fought under the which leader? Answer: Saddam Hussein. Strategic Arms Limitation Treaty was signed in which year? In 1979, Afghanistan witnessed invasion by which country? Answer: Soviet Union. In 1990, Iraq attacked and occupied which place? Answer: Kuwait. Who was Fidel Castro? Answer: the popular leader of Cuba. In 1994, the African National Congress won the elections in South Africa under the leadership of? Answer: Nelson Mandela. South Africa withdrew from the British Commonwealth in which year? Answer: 1961 AD. Before independence, Angola was under the control of which country? Answer: Portugal. Before independence, Zaire was under the control of which country? Answer: Belgium. What was the earlier name of Zaire? Answer: Congo. Zaire became independent in which year? Answer: 1960 AD. Before independence, Zimbabwe was colony of which country? Answer: Britain. Zimbabwe became independent in which year? Answer: 1980. Kenya became independent in which year? Answer: 1963 AD. What was the earlier name of Ghana? Answer: Gold Coast. Before independence, Ghana was a colony of which country? Answer: Britain. Ghana became independent in which year? Answer: 1957 AD. In 1997, Hong Kong was reunified with which country? Answer: China. During 1945 to 52, Japan was occupied by which country? Answer: United States troops. Tibet is presently occupied by which country? Answer: China. The Korean War was fought in which year? Answer: 1950 to 1953 AD. Prior to its independence, Korea was a colony of which country? Answer: Japan. Cultural Revolution was launched in China in 1966 by whom? Answer: Mao Zedong. Thanks for watching this video.